4, 5. Okay, now I see 5. Thank you. All right. Yeah, Zach was checking in before.
Thanks, guys.
So race order to you, Walter is 1. Zach and 2.
Oh.
Jim and 3. Joe 4 and Eric 5.
You're ahead of me, Jim.
My court marshals are ready. We're gonna have Walter going on the tone in less than 5. Zach, Jim, Joe, Eric.
Ooh, my rear is loose.
Alright, and you just gave your off and go. Eric coming out strong, first lap. He's just off of Joe, Zach, Walter, and Jim. Eric supporting the high-tech Charger crowd. Who needs an eye charger when you have a high-tech? And Eric will pass lap on 17.74. I bet Joe will give us a 17.2.
Go ahead, Joe.
Thanks.
Eric still in the lead, while the Joe, Zach, Walter, and Jim. Right now, everybody is 1 lap slower than TQ. Please get my wrong. You want to see where wrong TQ, you're going to have to pick up the pace. And you're like, God, accepted.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
You're good.
Joe's out to the top. Eric is just 1.2 seconds behind. We're back in third. And Walter's 1.4 seconds behind him. And Jim is 5. Joe and Jim put down 16.756. Looks like he's still 3 seconds slower than TQ. And we have 2:26 remaining. So right now, again, Joe in 1, Eric 2, Zach 3, Walter in the middle, and Jim in 5. Right now, if Joe and Eric can hold the pace right now, Joe will be first overall, and Eric will be third overall.
Ah. My sub trim is off.
140 remaining. Looks like Joe just put down a 16.680.
Thanks, Jim.
It looks like Walter's going to go in third from Zach.
Oh.
Alright, getting closer to the final minute of racing. We got 105 now remaining. Right now, there's no close battles on the track. Joe Lindeck has an 8.7 second lead on Eric. Eric has a 15 second lead on Walter. Walter has an 11 second lead on Zach. And Zach has a 35 second lead on Joe. And again, we're going to do a restart to the faster guys can get a restore together next round. Jim just ran his personal fast lap of 20.005. 26 seconds now remaining. Joe with another new fast lap. 16.589. Less than 10 seconds remaining on race clock. Jim Croft with another new personal fast lap of 19.898.
Way to go, Jim.
He didn't stick with it. He does faster and faster. And then he runs an 18.625 right to the buzzer. All right, keep going. So I tell you, you were done. Zach, you're the only one done. Zach is done. Walter's done. Everyone else be done when we cross the line. One by car, Jim. All right, everybody's done. So the end of the show, followed by Eric, Walter, Zach, and